Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of Building the Enterprise-D. Quick build episode this one, so we're going to do the build episode and then we'll have a look at the magazine. The other episodes that are featured in there, the actual episodes of the thing, not episodes of the build. So we've got some escape pods to fit onto here, as well as the outside edge piece. I'm going to get that on there first, actually, this time around, using some IM screws. That one on there, and that one next to it. Just like so. Then tighten down. I'll get them tightened down in a minute, actually. Let's get some escape pods on. As ever, the red line goes towards the widest part of the build. These all pop onto there. Nice and easy. 3 there. And the rest of these with the red bits that way. There, that one there. 3 more to go. 1, 2, 3, as ever, a spare on there. This then goes over the top. It'll only go one way round, no doubt. See which way round it needs to go. Well, this will be easy. I won't need to worry about the instructions for that bit. But of course I do. Oh, I've got it the right way round. There we go. It does have that notch that goes up against there, as I thought it might. So 2 screws to hold that in place. Stop those escape pods from escaping. Don't need them to escape until it's time to run away. Put that on there. Tighten those down as well. Make sure I got them all the right way around, which I did. So we obviously have one more escape pod to put on there, which is the one that goes over the top of the screw hole, which I've got here. Next to the piece that we're not using yet, we need to build that next time, continuing the battle section. So that is that, all good to go. 2 FM screws will hold that in place onto here. The tricky bit with this is we've got the bulb in the corner there that obviously needs to peer through there, so it should all just fall into place. Obviously it's not going to quite fall into place. I'm going to have to do a little bit of manipulation and tidying to get that in there. So we'll get that in there. I'll get the 2 screws in, I'll get the cover on the top, and then that's that. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look at the magazine. So here we have volume 25 of Building the Star Trek Next Generation ship, the Enterprise-D. This is the first one that I've seen that's actually branded Fanhome. You may have noticed the little tags for the thing have got Fanhome on them as well this time around. I think that's the first time. I may just have not been observant and noticed it before, but you never know. So in this issue, obviously we've got the builds, then we've got some episodes to look at as well. So we've seen these already. You haven't seen these bits yet. Actually seen that bit, just done that bit, just done that bit. Next time you will see me do the same thing again, but the next one along, and then play around with a little bit of the battle section again. Let's have a look. We're looking at the Inner Light. Yeah, one of the better, more memorable episodes there. Obviously a lot of work gone into it, so they're telling us quite a lot about that, the aging of Picard and things as well. Cool. Time's Arrow. think overshadowed by the inner light. But the title sounds familiar, but I'm not too sure about. Oh, this is the obviously time travel back through a cave somewhere, I think, if I remember correctly. That's the end of season 5. It looks like this is season 6. Looking at it, getting ready. Time Zero Part 2, obviously, yes. Back. I'm Sawyer. I might be remembering different things, but yeah, quite a cool episode. All good stuff. The Realm of Fear. Was this the things that not come through in the transporter? This is the bit that took over bits of Starfleet, if I remember correctly. Man of the People. No memory of that one at all. Again, I'm sure I can, but it's just not coming to me. So that is that. Another volume done. One more issue to actually build, and then I get to put this away for another month until the next pack turns up. It's all coming together. It's starting to look quite nice now. So, well, say that now. It's starting to look quite nice all the time, but still more to go. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.